Miche gi miche mag jopuonjre mawuok e kaunti ma Kisii oriwore kod jowetegi e chenro mar pidho yiende kaka yo achiel mar kedo gi lokruok marach mar chal mar kor lwasi. Chenrono manotimore e skund primar mar Kari kod Bara Chocho bende nokelo kanyakla jopuonj kod apisa mag somo e kauntino. Okwa jopiny mondo mi opidh yiende manyachon kod mago ma nyago olemo mabiro konyo piny Kenya.
We are doing more than 3,000 seedlings today in this particular school. We are doing 3 categories of trees. We are going to do fruit trees. We are going to do exotic trees. We are going to do indigenous trees. As a sub-county, we have an allocation of 510,000 trees to plant this financial year. Just to remind you, this exercise began last year, sometimes in July, and we are having the first phase of it.
We are going to meet the target. We have already explained the children's expectations, and we really want to thank our sponsors, Carro, for having given us this space because we don't have the space.
Na tumefurahia sana maana inaenda kuimarisha mazingira kwa shule yetu. Pia vile tunajua vyema ni hifadhi ya wanyama kama vile ndege, wanyama pori, na pia inaenda kusitiri udongo.
We love our country. We thank God for everything. And I tell the children to work hard and start planting trees to keep